Hi there, this is garyryanblair, and today we're going to talk about raising the bar, about demanding more from yourself. In the past, in the present, and in the future, this truth reigns supreme. To live a bigger, better, bolder, and far more beautiful life, you must expect and you must demand more from yourself. You see, for most of my adult life, I've pursued what I consider to be the organizing principles of lasting change. And in this message, I wanted to share a proven 3-point plan, one that you can use to transform and to upgrade your life. See, I'm old school, and I believe that the best things in life are free, and that the best strategies in life are simple. By that, I mean simple to understand, simple to apply, simple to teach, and simple to share with others. The following 3 strategies are simple, and they're also extremely powerful. However, they require consistent and skillful application in order for you to upgrade your life and to unleash your greatness. These are the exact same strategies that an individual must make in order to create personal change. These are the exact same strategies that a company must make in order to create a lasting competitive advantage. And these are the exact same strategies that a community or country must make in order to best serve its citizens. So step number 1 is to upgrade your standards. Anytime you sincerely want to change and improve your life, the first thing you must do is to upgrade your standards. Upgrading your standards means raising your expectations and demanding more from yourself and from those around you. That means purging high-maintenance people and situations from your life, as well as having zero tolerance for mediocrity, for procrastination, and any behavior that robs you of potential and increased performance. And if by chance you think that's too harsh, I assure you that if your standards are not raised, and if you do not challenge and demand more from yourself, that you'll continue to underperform, you'll continue to be underappreciated, and you will continue to suffer the consequences of low and compromised standards. So consider this fair warning. What you put up with, you will end up with. So here's the list. There are the things you need to do. You begin the process of upgrading your standards by creating 3 lists. The first, you list all the things, I'm talking about the behaviors, the habits, and the beliefs that you will no longer accept from yourself. Number 2, second list, you list all the things you will no longer tolerate from other people, and then you list all the things that you would aspire to become. In the words of Ralph Waldo Emerson, the only person you are destined to become is the person that you decide to be. And if you have the courage to expect and demand more from yourself, and more importantly, if you have the commitment to honor these higher, nobler standards, you will upgrade your life and create the change that you desire. That brings us to step number 2, which is to upgrade your beliefs. Now, if you upgrade your standards, but you don't really believe you can meet them, then you've already sabotaged yourself. This is one of the biggest challenges that people face when initiating change and when trying to upgrade their lives. Why is that? Because you won't even try. You'll be lacking that sense of certainty that allows you to tap the deepest capacity that's within you, even as you listen to these words. Our beliefs are like unquestioned commands. They're telling us who we are, what's possible and what's impossible, what we can and cannot do. They shape every action, every thought, and every feeling that we experience. And as a result, upgrading our beliefs is central to making any real and lasting change in our lives. That tells us you must develop a sense of certainty you can and will meet the new, better, upgraded standards before you actually do. Without demanding more from yourself and without upgrading your belief systems, you can upgrade your standards as much as you like, but you'll never have the conviction to back them up. And that is why step number 3 is so important, which is to upgrade your strategy. To honor your commitments, to keep your promises, to achieve your goals, you need the best strategies for achieving those results. One of my core beliefs is that you upgrade your standards as well as upgrading your beliefs, and you can certainly figure out the strategies to achieve any outcome that you desire. I guess what I'm saying is, you'll find a way to get the job done. Now, I can tell you with the confidence of a man holding 4 aces that the single best strategy for upgrading your life and for fast-tracking your results is to model successful behavior. Now, just imagine if you could do the following. Just think if you could learn to invest like Warren Buffett, if you could act like Meryl Streep, if you could compose music like Mozart, if you could dance like Baryshnikov, sing like Sinatra, play the guitar like Jimi Hendrix. Just imagine if you could throw a football like Peyton Manning, or even crush a tennis ball like Serena Williams, swing a golf club like Tiger Woods, write jokes like Jerry Seinfeld, lead like Churchill, design a building like Frank Lloyd Wright. Imagine you have the capacity to orate like Martin Luther King. Just imagine you started thinking, writing, speaking, behaving, and even executing like one of these preeminent performers. Just think, how would that change your life? How would that transform your choices, your decisions, your actions? Would you learn to do things better, faster, and easier? Would your confidence level shoot to the moon? Well, the good news is there's no need for you to imagine these things because this is very possible once you upgrade your strategy and start using psychological modeling. See, psychological modeling is a form of copying, of mirroring, of imitating the behavior of another person. And this can be done to great advantage on a conscious level. However, we often tend to do it at an unconscious level. See, the most efficient way to master any skill, strategy, or goal in life is to model those who have already forged a path ahead. So what that means is you do not need to reinvent the wheel when you can leverage what others have done in order to reinvent the results. So if you could find someone who's getting the results that you want, then you just model their behavior. You take some actions that they're doing and you ultimately get the same results. Not only will this make you more effective, it will also save you a huge amount of time because you won't have to reinvent the wheel. You can fine-tune it, you can reshape it, and you can perhaps even make it better, but you will not have to reinvent it. See, the best possible modeling scenario, however, has everything to do with environment and proximity. If you want to upgrade your life and turn your goals and dreams into a reality faster, then you must get yourself in proximity with the people who are demanding more of themselves and playing the game at a higher level than you are right now. Proximity is power, and whether it's your business, your health, your finances, or even your relationships, surrounding and modeling yourself with people who are already successful in that area allows you to model what is already proven to work, helping you to compress and consume knowledge, skills, shortcuts, and strategies very, very quickly. See, this lesson was designed to provide you with the information and the impetus to commit to all three of these master principles for upgrading your life. Upgrading your standards by raising your expectations and demanding more from yourself and from those around you. Upgrading your beliefs by questioning and replacing anything that slows you down and which impedes progress. And upgrading your strategy by modeling successful behavior. This particular strategy will help you to elegantly, to quickly, and efficiently produce the results that you desire. Now, in closing, I suggest you do this. Spend your life pushing, challenging, and demanding more from yourself, and you'll enjoy a bigger, better, and far more beautiful life.